In this lesson, we will look at questions that continue on from Part 1, Section 6.1, Slope of a Line. Question 1. Describe the slope of the line. We need to determine if it is positive, negative, undefined, or zero. Remember that a positive slope means that the line will start from the left and increase to the right. This line does not do that, so we're going to eliminate option A. B, negative, means the line will start from the left and work its way down to the right and decrease. This line doesn't do that as well. Now we're left with undefined and zero. If we look at this line, there is no rise. The rise is zero. So if we have slope equals rise over run, well, there is no rise because it constantly goes through y equals 3. So the rise is 0. And the run doesn't really matter how many units is going. Anything divided by 0 will result in 0. Therefore, the slope here will be 0. Question 2. Draw a line segment that has a slope of negative 2/5. So in this case, we're going to talk about it in terms of rise and run. So we have rise of negative 2 and a run of 5. So when we are finished drawing our line segment, we have to produce a negative slope because the line is going to decrease. So what we're going to do, we're going to start anywhere on the graph. And I'm just going to start off at 0 and 0 here, and I'm going to make a point. So what I have to do, I have to go rise. So instead of going up 2 units, I'm going to go down. So 1, 2, and I'm going to go right 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my first point right here. And I could do the same thing again. 1, so I'm going to go 1, 1, 2 over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And draw another point. Now, as you can see, that gives me the bottom half of the graph. If I want to extend it towards the top, I'm just going to have to go in the opposite direction. Instead of going down, I'm going to go up 2 and to the left 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, and to the right, left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can do the same thing to make another point. Go up 2, 1, 2, and to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what a line segment looks like with a slope of negative 2/5. And we're going to try to draw a line that goes through those points. When you do this question yourself, you will need to use a ruler to ensure that your line is straight, since we're talking about linear functions that have a straight line. So since it is a linear relation, we're just going to put our arrows on the end because this function will continue into the positive and negative infinity.